Another day, another technology. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be discussing a very important topic in the field of software development, which is DevOps. In this video, we will be covering everything you need to know about DevOps, its benefits, and how it can help organizations deliver software faster and more efficiently. What is DevOps? So, what exactly is DevOps? DevOps is a set of practices that combine software development, Dev, and IT operations, Ops, to shorten the system's development life cycle, while delivering features, fixes, and updates frequently, in close alignment with business objectives. The goal of DevOps is to increase the speed and agility of the software delivery process while ensuring that the software is of high quality, secure, and reliable. DevOps principles. DevOps is based on a set of principles that focus on collaboration, automation, and continuous improvement. Let's take a look at some of these principles. 1. Collaboration. DevOps emphasizes collaboration between development and operations teams to ensure that everyone is working towards the same goals. 2. Automation. Automation is a key component of DevOps. 2. Automating tasks like testing, deployment, and monitoring can help organizations deliver software faster and with fewer errors. 3. Continuous improvement. DevOps encourages continuous improvement by using feedback from users and stakeholders to drive changes to the software. Benefits of DevOps. DevOps can offer numerous benefits to organizations that adopt it. Some of these benefits include: DevOps can help organizations release software more quickly, allowing them to stay ahead of the competition. DevOps encourages collaboration between development and operations teams, leading to better communication and a more efficient workflow. By automating testing and other tasks, DevOps can help ensure that software is of high quality and free from errors. DevOps allows organizations to quickly adapt to changing business requirements, making it easier to respond to customer needs. By integrating security into the development process, DevOps can help organizations ensure that their software is secure and compliant with industry regulations. DevOps tools. There are a variety of tools available to help organizations implement DevOps practices. Some of the most popular DevOps tools include: 1. Version control, Git, SVN, and Mercurial. 2. Continuous integration, Jenkins, Travis C, Circle C. 3. Configuration management, Ansible, Chef, Puppet. 4. Containerization, Docker, Kubernetes. 5. Monitoring, Nagios, Zabbix, Prometheus. DevOps is a set of practices that can help organizations deliver software faster and more efficiently. By emphasizing collaboration, automation, and continuous improvement, DevOps can offer numerous benefits, including faster time to market, improved quality, and increased agility. If you're interested in implementing DevOps in your organization, there are a variety of tools available to help you get started. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe our channel. We'll see you in the next video.